Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide your account on the Badoo dating application if it has been hidden. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start matching with various users. Now, from this page, in order to unhide your account, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. From the Profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right and you will be taken into the Settings page. From the Settings page, tap on Account and now you will see that the Hide Account menu has been checked. So if you wish to unhide your account, you will simply need to uncheck on this and now your account will be unhid right away. Now if you wish to change this setting at any time, you can go back into the gear icon and from Account Settings, you will be able to tap on the checkbox again to hide your account if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unhide your account on the Badoo dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.